Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on the Dolphin Emulator. First, you will need to download the Dolphin Emulator from its official website. Next, legally acquire a Super Mario 64 ROM file. Once you have both, open Dolphin and navigate to the configuration settings to begin setting up your controller for optimal gameplay. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. To enhance your visual experience, adjust the internal resolution in Dolphin's graphics settings. Many players find setting it to 2 or 3 times native resolution provides a crisp image. Also, enable widescreen hacks for a modern 16:9 aspect ratio. For audio, select a suitable backend like Wasapi or X-Audio 2 for clear, synchronized sound, ensuring an immersive experience. Now, let's set up your controller. Go to the Controllers tab and configure your physical gamepad to mimic a GameCube controller. Pay close attention to calibrating the analog sticks for precise movement, which is vital for Super Mario 64's platforming. Remember to use Dolphin's Save State feature frequently to save your progress, especially before challenging sections. For the best experience, keep your Dolphin emulator updated to its latest version, as developers frequently release performance improvements and bug fixes. If you encounter any issues, online forums and communities are excellent resources for troubleshooting common problems. Don't hesitate to experiment with various graphics and audio settings to find the perfect balance for your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.